Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. In this video, we will cover our syllabus and important topics for consumer psychology. So, let's start our official syllabus. So, the official syllabus is week first, Introduction to Consumer Psychology, week second, Overview of Foundation of Consumer Behavior, week third, Consumer Decision Making, week four, Purchase Process and Consumption, Consumer Learning and Brand Loyalty, and in week fifth, Low Involvement Decision Making, Situational Influence, week sixth, the Individual Consumer, Consumer Perceptions, Consumer Information Processing and Acquisition, and in week seven, Attitudes, Attitude Reinforcement and Change, week 8, Marketing Communication. So these are the official syllabus for this course. Our analysis of the syllabus in comparison with the weekly assignment. So let's check one by one. So we start with week first. So the week first is Introduction to Consumer Psychology. So in this week first you have to study about need recognition, market segmentation, total product concept, EKB model, and most important topics of our week first is need recognition and market segmentation. And now let's go to our week second. So week second, foundations of consumer behavior. So in week second the topics are high versus low involvement in buying decisions, browsing versus searching with a purpose, motivators and triggers for buying, situational influences on buying behavior, and the most important topic of our week second is involvement types, situational influence. Now let's go to our week third. So week third, consumer decision making. So in week third, you have to study about how consumer compare different choices, simple decision shortcuts, heuristics, sets of product consumer consider, use of surrogate shoppers, and the most important topic of our week third consumer decision making is alternative evaluation, heuristics, consideration sets. Now let's go to our week fourth. So week fourth is purchase, process, and brand loyalty. So the topics are planned versus unplanned purchases, feelings of conflict after buying, making product feel special, sacralization, influence of other people on consumption. So these are the topics of our week 4th. And now let's discuss about our week 4 most important question. So the most important question of our week 4th is cognitive dissonance and social context. So these are the main important topic of week 4th. Now let's go to our week 5th. So week fifth, low involvement and situational influences. So in week fifth, you have to study about how consumers see price and value, simple versus deep product categorization, the Zeigarnik effect, remembering incomplete things, how repetition helps memory. So the most important topic of our week fifth is price perception and Zeigarnik effect. Now let's go to our week sixth. So week six, individual motivation and perception. So in week six, you have to study about Maslow's hierarchy of needs, conflict between choice, approach, avoidance, fear appeals in advertising, how mood affects product evaluation. So the most important question of our week six is Maslow's hierarchy, approach, avoidance, conflicts. Now let's go to our week seven. So week 7, attitude and attitude change. So you have to study about emotions, thoughts and behaviors in attitudes, importance of brand image and positioning, repeating messages to reinforce attitudes, how beliefs influence attitude. So the most important topic of our week 7 is attitude components, brand equity, positioning strategies. Now let's go to our week 8. So week 8 is marketing communication. So in week 8 you have to study about AIDA model, attention, interest, desire, action, and then hierarchy of effects in ads, and then extended dual mediation model, and next how ads influence beliefs, trial, emotion, commitment. And the most important topic of our week 8 is AIDA model, hierarchy of effects, and extended dual mediation. Now let's discuss about study strategy recommendation. So we suggest some recommendation. So the first recommendation is focus on models like example EKB model, hierarchy of effects, AIDA, extended dual mediation. And the second recommendation is understand decision making process in depth, including all stages and alternative evaluation rules. And the third recommendation is learn condition and memory models, operant versus classical conditioning, Zeigarnik effect, truth effect. And the fourth recommendation is practice key definition like brand equality, sacralization, surrogate shopper. And the last is be familiar with attitude theories and how attitude influence consumer behavior and decision making. So these are the syllabus and important topics of our consumer psychology. So thank you friends for watching our video. Now we will meet in next video of our consumer psychology mock test. So thank you friends for watching our video.